You own something right now that's designed to break, not by accident, by calculation. An algorithm somewhere determined exactly when it would fail. But 10 brands refuse to play that game. They still build the way things used to be built. One company tests every product for 20 years before it ships. Another uses the same design from 1945. One German manufacturer's products are being repaired today that were made in the 1960s. We applied 3 filters to find them: independently verified durability data, warranty terms that prove long-term confidence, and documented engineering that prioritizes repair over profit. Only 10 brands passed. Here they are. In the 1960s, manufacturers discovered something that would reshape consumer electronics forever. In the 1960s, manufacturers discovered something that would reshape consumer electronics forever. If a gadget broke in 8 years instead of 20, they could sell 3 times as many machines. 3 times the revenue. We documented this. 3 times the profit. It's truly remarkable. The New York Times documented this. US PIRG released research showing manufacturers deliberately restrict parts availability to force replacement. The turning point came when publicly traded corporations bought family companies. Shareholders demanded growth in every quarter. Suddenly, the engineer's job changed from "how long can this last" to "what's the minimum lifespan we can get away with?" But these 10 brands never accepted that industry logic. We tracked every electronics manufacturer with documented long-term durability data and third-party testing results. We examined repair technician reports. We looked at corporate structure and whether companies maintain parts availability a decade after purchase. The industry standard for home electronics is 7 to 9 years. These brands double or triple that. Here they are, ranked from solid to extraordinary.
Number 10. Panasonic Eneloop. Panasonic's Eneloop rechargeable battery line operates on one principle: durability through design. Eneloop batteries retain their charge for 10 years without use. Your grandmother's disposable batteries lasted 3 months in a drawer. Eneloop retains 80% of its charge after a decade just sitting on a shelf. Panasonic still manufactures the core Eneloop line using the original engineering specifications from the late 1990s. No engineering drift in their manufacturing process. Absolutely no cost-cutting measures are taken. The cells are built in Japan, and Panasonic publishes detailed cycle life data showing batteries survive exactly as advertised. Most competing rechargeable batteries show 5% per year charge loss. Eneloop shows less than 1% per year. Over a decade, that's the cheapest cost per use of any battery on the market. Coming in at number 9, Sennheiser. Sennheiser is a German audio manufacturer founded in 1945. Their entire philosophy is built around the idea that a headphone is a lifetime investment, not a consumable. Their HD 650 reference headphones launched in 2003 and are still in production, not as a legacy product but as a current premium standard. As an actively manufactured, unchanged design that's the gold standard across audio engineering and music production. Sennheiser uses metal reinforcement in the headband, not plastic. Ear cup connectors are modular, designed for total longevity. If a cable dies, you replace the cable. If an ear pad compresses over 10 years, Sennheiser sells replacement pads. The company still hand finishes every professional headphone. An engineer personally verifies the frequency response before it ships. They test extensively before release and monitor failure rates obsessively.
Number 8. Victorinox. Victorinox is a 4th-generation family company headquartered in Ibach, Switzerland. They've been making knives since 1884, and the company is still 100% privately owned by descendants of the founder. That ownership structure creates radically different incentives than publicly traded manufacturers. A publicly traded company wants higher margins and faster inventory turnover. Victorinox optimizes for reputation and legacy. They make knives in the same factory their founder established. The company has never automated their final sharpening step because the technique requires human judgment. A machine can sharpen an edge geometrically. It can't feel the edge and know when it's perfect. The knife is backed by a lifetime warranty against material and manufacturing defects. Number 7. Wüsthof, a legacy of precision and performance. Wüsthof was founded in 1814 in Solingen, Germany, a city whose name is legally protected as a mark of origin for cutlery. Every Wüsthof knife is forged from a single piece of steel, not stamped from sheet stock. Forging creates a denser, heavier, more balanced blade with superior edge retention. That process is slower and more expensive. That's exactly why most manufacturers stopped doing it. Wüsthof continues because they optimize for the person using the knife, not shareholders watching margins. The company is still family-owned, now in its 7th generation. The head of the company today is a direct descendant of the founder. That ownership structure means the person making decisions lives in Solingen and will hand the company to her children. That concentrates incentives on durability. Wüsthof backs every knife with a lifetime warranty. The warranty is almost irrelevant because Wüsthof blades historically survived the people who bought them. Number 6. Nikon Professional Cameras. Nikon's legacy of excellence begins here. Nikon operates on an engineering principle most camera manufacturers abandoned decades ago. The D3, D4, and D5 series professional bodies are considered indestructible by photographers who use them in extreme conditions. The D5, which launched in 2016, is still in daily use by news organizations because it simply doesn't fail. Nikon's professional bodies use a titanium shutter curtain, not plastic or aluminum. The viewfinder optics are precision ground glass that maintains clarity for decades. The magnesium alloy chassis is military-grade material used in aircraft. The company tests every professional camera body extensively before release and monitors failure rates obsessively. If a failure pattern emerges, Nikon issues a service advisory and fixes the problem across the entire installed base. Parts availability for discontinued models spans 2 decades. Number 5. Leica Cameras, Heritage and Craftsmanship. Leica is a German camera manufacturer founded in 1913. The company is still headquartered in Wetzlar, Germany, still manufactures cameras in Germany, and operates on a philosophy that a camera is not a consumer good. It's an investment in precision. Every camera that leaves the factory is tested by hand. The engineer who built it verifies the focus calibration personally. The company is family-owned through a trust structure that protects it from acquisition. Leica has been a takeover target repeatedly. The company has consistently rejected offers because the founding family's commitment to Wetzlar-based manufacturing is non-negotiable. Leica cameras regularly sell used for more than they cost new because they're appreciating assets. A 1950s Leica rangefinder in good condition sells for more today than it sold for 70 years ago. That's unprecedented in consumer electronics. Number 4. Braun, a German legacy of precision engineering. Braun is a German small appliance manufacturer founded in 1921. The company still operates with the original design philosophy that elegance comes from elimination, not addition. The Braun Series 9 electric shaver is considered one of the best consumer razors ever made. It is certainly not the cheapest razor on the market today, but it's the one that still works perfectly at 15 years. Braun's design language comes from Dieter Rams, a legendary industrial designer who created the company's aesthetic in the 1960s. Everything on a Braun product serves a clear functional purpose. Nothing is decorative. This approach creates products that age well. They age well because they're not trendy, they are built for life. Braun products are truly timeless symbols of great design. Braun products are engineered with replaceable components for ultimate longevity. The precision-engineered shaver head, the long-lasting lithium battery, the advanced charging circuit provides power and convenience. You can disassemble a Braun product in 10 minutes and replace a failed part. Number 3 on our list today is the legendary Miele. Miele is a German manufacturer founded in 1899 and still family-owned. The motto is Immer besser, always better. That is not just marketing language, it is a promise. It is an engineering specification, detailed and exact. Every Miele appliance is tested for 20 years of daily use before it leaves the factory. Anything that fails during this simulation gets redesigned. The product doesn't ship until it passes. Miele uses steel tubs in dishwashers while competitors switch to plastic. The company refuses plastic because it warps, absorbs smells, and fails. The warranty is straightforward, 20 years of parts availability. If your Miele dishwasher fails at year 18, you fix it. Because with Miele, you simply don't replace it. The company is not publicly traded. There are no shareholders demanding higher margins. Miele's incentives are aligned with longevity because the company will be around in 20 years to honor its warranty. Decathlon is a French sports equipment manufacturer founded in 1976. The company is a cooperative structure where profits are reinvested in manufacturing and product quality rather than distributed to shareholders. This structure creates an unusual economic incentive. The company is optimized for employee satisfaction and customer loyalty, not profit extraction. Decathlon designs its own bicycles and components in-house and manufactures in European factories. The company refuses to cut costs by moving all production to Asia. The Betwin bicycle line is engineered with modularity and repairability as core principles. You can replace the drivetrain, the brakes, the wheels without specialized tools. The design assumes the bike will be maintained and upgraded over 20 years, not discarded after 5. Decathlon publishes detailed technical specifications and repair manuals online for free. Number 1. Victorinox Kitchen Gadgets and Multi-Tools. Victorinox extends beyond knives into small kitchen gadgets and multi-tools. The company's peeler, vegetable chopper, and multi-tools operate on the same durability philosophy. A Victorinox multi-tool from 1985 functions identically to one purchased today. The design hasn't fundamentally changed because perfect design doesn't need changing. The multi-tool uses stainless steel construction throughout. No plastic handles. These tools are built with stainless steel throughout. No components designed to wear out. Each tool functions exactly as intended. Sharpening regularly maintains the blade's edge. Oil maintains the joints to keep them working perfectly. These tools are passed between generations because they simply don't break. Victorinox backs them with a lifetime warranty because they expect you to use them for a lifetime. Look at what these 10 brands have in common. 8 of the 10 are either family-owned or structured to insulate them from outside ownership. Panasonic and Nikon operate within larger corporations, but both maintain engineering autonomy. In addition, Decathlon is a cooperative. Miele is family-owned. Sennheiser is family-owned. Victorinox is family-owned. Wüsthof is family-owned. Leica is family-owned through a trust. The second pattern, 9 of these brands manufacture significantly in their home country: Germany, Switzerland, Japan, France. Companies that control where things are made tend to stand behind what's made. They're not insulated from consequences by outsourcing to contractors. The engineer who designed it also watches it being built. That proximity is what creates true accountability. Next time you're buying electronics, ask 3 questions. They'll tell you instantly whether you're looking at a product built for legacy or built for replacement. Question 1. Who owns this company? Call the manufacturer and ask them directly. Is the company a publicly traded corporation? Is it family-owned? Ownership structure predicts engineering quality more reliably than marketing claims. If shareholders own it and demand quarterly growth, incentives are aligned toward replacement. If family-owned, incentives are aligned toward legacy. Question 2. Where is it manufactured? A company confident in durability will tell you exactly where manufacturing happens. If you get vague answers, that's a red flag. Centralized manufacturing in the company's home country means accountability. Decentralized manufacturing means standardized cost-cutting. Question 3. Can I get parts in 10 years? Be sure to ask them directly about this. Will you be able to buy a replacement motor, a new circuit board, a replacement cable 10 years from now? If they hesitate, that means the company has designed the product to be disposable. Companies built to last will answer all 3 questions clearly and confidently. That legacy building philosophy didn't die out. It just moved to different manufacturers. It went to companies that still believe building something lasting is more important than building something profitable in the short term. The 10 brands we showed you today prove it's possible. True durability is not a luxury anymore. It is a choice you can make today. And now you know what to look for. Drop your answer in the comments about which brand you own. If this changed how you think about quality, hit subscribe.